I think you only love me cause I'm poppin'. This a layup, this a rebound, then it's driving. Tyson with the fade, not the hair, my hands rockin'. When I link with ballpoint, you know it's knocking. I'm not the same. Thinking money made me change, nothing else to blame. Bougie stuck up in my way, singing Gucci gang. Gucci gang, think I'm Gucci Mane. I'm just playing in the cut, I got my Vans on.
Hey guys, what's up? We've been MIA for a while because we've been preparing for this new machine that we got here. So we kind of want to show you what we got. It's the newest addition to our shop and our family. We sold the old Artisan up in the attic and we upgraded to a larger machine so we can open ourselves up to some more opportunities using full sheets. My wife's car got the boot out of the garage. The new machine came in. We just got set up today. We haven't cut anything yet, but we kind of want to just do a little walk around. So take a look. This is a ShopSabre PRO 408 4x8 machine. The bed is much bigger, but it has a 4-zone vacuum table, which is new for us. We just fired it up and check out what kind of power it's got. Hit it, Benny. So this is going to be amazing because now I don't have to drill holes in my workpiece and try to strategically place clamps and everything to hold down my piece for it to be milled. Now this vacuum table holds it down and it allows us to do full passes without leaving tabs, so it saves work. So basically it just makes us more efficient and it makes things easier for us. A few reasons why we chose this machine is because the entire machine is ball screw. So on typical machines, only your Z-axis has a ball screw, which is this here. It's the form in which it moves up and down on typically the rack and pinion for the lower end ones, the ones that are more like consumer grade and less professional industrial shop grade, they'll have rack and pinions. And ball screw is just a much more smooth, accurate, precise movement. So this machine, every axis is on a ball screw, which is insane because usually that means you're in the $100,000 range, and we did not spend $100,000 on this machine. The second reason why we chose this machine is because all of the motors are servo motors. So instead of a stepper motor, which you would get on the consumer grade machines, these ones actually report back to your computer, and if your G-code tells it to move somewhere and it doesn't make it to that location that it was supposed to go to, the servo motor reports back and says, I didn't get here. And what that does is it'll stop everything so that nothing catastrophic happens. Before it can make a mistake and ruin your piece, it stops and it lets you know something's wrong. So you can go check, and maybe the bit broke, maybe it lost power somewhere, whatever it may be, it reports back, stops everything. You can address the problem and you can pick back up from where you left back off. So, because there's been times where I've been running a multiple hour tool path, and I leave it, obviously I'm not going to sit there for the hours, and when I come back, the machine, the bit snapped and it didn't know, or one of the motors stopped working and it didn't know, and it just completely destroyed my piece that it's been working on for hours. So this won't happen with this because it doesn't have those stepper motors. So that's those are the two main reasons why we got this machine. The third reason is just because of the size of it and the vacuum table, everything. So this hopefully opens up another avenue for us, for our furniture making company, and also for our sweet videos that Youngkin's been putting out for us. We'll get some cool video footage on these, maybe some cool time lapses. Maybe we're gonna get a GoPro. I don't know, whatever, we'll see.
Bright sneakers on, getting ready for a flashback.